When it comes to finding the top land surveyor in Marathahalli, Bangalore, look no further than SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. With their expertise and experience in the field, they have established themselves as a trusted name in land surveying. SCON Design is known for their meticulous attention to detail and their commitment to delivering accurate and reliable survey results. Their team of highly skilled surveyors utilizes the latest technology and equipment to ensure precise measurements and thorough analysis of the land. Whether you are planning a residential or commercial project, SCON Design can provide you with the necessary information and data to make informed decisions. As one of the leading land survey companies in Bangalore, SCON Design has built a reputation for excellence. They understand the importance of accurate land surveying in the development process and strive to deliver exceptional results to their clients. With their team of qualified surveyors, SCON Design is equipped to handle projects of any scale or complexity. From boundary surveys to topographic surveys, they have the expertise and resources to meet all your land surveying needs. What sets SCON Design apart from other land surveyors is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand that every project is unique and requires personalized attention. That is why they take the time to listen to their clients' needs and objectives, ensuring that they provide tailored solutions that meet their specific requirements. Whether you need assistance with land subdivision, site analysis, or construction layout, SCON Design will work closely with you to deliver results that exceed your expectations. The team at SCON Design is not only highly skilled in land surveying but also knowledgeable about local regulations and requirements. When it comes to land surveying services in Marathahalli, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as the top land surveyor in the area. With their expertise and experience, they have established themselves as a trusted name in the industry. SCON Design has been providing high-quality land surveying services for both residential and commercial projects for several years. What sets SCON Design apart from other land surveyors is their commitment to excellence and attention to detail. They understand the importance of accurate surveying in any construction project, as it lays the foundation for the entire design and construction process. Their team of skilled surveyors uses state-of-the-art equipment and advanced techniques to ensure precise measurements and data collection. SCON Design's land surveying services include boundary surveys, topographic surveys, construction staking, and more. Whether you need to determine property lines, assess the topography of a site, or stake out construction points, their team has the knowledge and expertise to handle it all. They work closely with their clients to understand their specific requirements and deliver customized solutions that meet their needs. One of the key reasons why SCON Design